Hello students, I am Snigdha Datto, your IT teacher. I hope all of you are well and all of you be careful and try to be stay at your home, okay? And if there is any emergency to go outside, then you must use mask, okay? Okay, so today we will discuss the revised syllabus of IT, okay? 2020-21, so that you all of you see this IT, that your code is 402. Now here in employ two parts are there, part A and part B. Part A, employability skills, okay, there you will see 5 units. First unit is communication skills 2, unit 2 self management skills 2, unit 3 information and communication technology skills, that is ICT skills 2, unit 4 entrepreneurial skills 2, and unit 5 is green skills 2. Okay, there is no change in this employability skills, more or less this 5 chapters, 5 units are same, and the marks are total maximum marks, that is of 10, means within this 5 units 10 marks questions will come, and total theory will be of 50 marks and practical will be of 50 marks. Okay, so total theory and practical it will be of 100 marks. Okay, now that we will see in detail employability skills. Next one is part B, where you will get unit 1, that is subject specific skills. You will get over here unit 1 digital documentation advanced, unit 2 electronic spreadsheet advanced, unit 3 database management system, and unit 4 web application security. Okay, only these 4 units are here. In your part B you will get that. Okay, so because that is changed in your this new syllabus, because in this previous that chapters are 2 units are more there, that is digital presentation. Okay, yes, that is digital presentation was there, which one is not here in this 2020-21 session, and one more chapter, that is email messaging. These 2 units are not here in this session, in this year. Okay, so only instead of this 6 units you will get 4 units. So now we will see that here you can see marks distribution, that is 8 marks here in digital documentation. Advanced electronic spreadsheet 10 marks will come, and from this database development system 12 marks, and 10 marks will come from the web application security. Okay, web applications and security. So this total is 40 marks. Okay, so this you will get over here. So 40 plus 10, that is 50 marks. Now we will see in detail. In practical, you see practical exam it will be of 15 marks, that is practical exam. Written test 10 marks, and viva is of 10 marks. So total it will be of practical 35 marks. Okay, and in project work, or this is of practical file or student portfolio, that is of 10 marks. Here is of 35 marks. Okay, and here you can see this 10 marks practical file or student portfolio, and viva voice, that is 5 marks, viva 5 marks, so that is 15 marks total. So now you can see here, that is of 35 and 15, that is total. Practical and project work, that total is 50 marks. So theory 50 and this will be of 50 practical, so total 100 marks. Okay, and these are timings. Now we will see in detail. First, employability skills. Here we have not done all chapters. Employability skills, Unit 1, communication skills. Unit 2, self-management skill. Unit 3, that is of in ICT skill. 4, entrepreneurial skills. And Unit 5, green skills. Okay, in this chapters, communication skills we have completed. No? This communication skills up to session 3 that is completed, and web application, that is full. Okay, so now the communication skills is completed. Up to unit 1 we have completed. 15th May we have completed that session 3. Now communication is fully completed, and here you can see subject specific skills: digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet, data management system, and web application and security. This web applications and security we have completed. We will see what are the next. From digital documentation, you see, that is word processing. Okay, so here this chapter we are doing now. No, so your first is session 1, that is create and apply styles in the document. So here style category, what in style and categories, styles and formatting window, fill format, creating and updating new style from selection, load style template, new style using drag and drop, applying styles. These are from the create and apply styles in a document. This first session we have completed. Session 2, insert and use images in document. These things we have also completed. How to insert the image from the various sources, then how will you modify, resize, crop and delete an image, drawing objects, how will you use. Okay, and then creating drawing object, changing its properties, resizing, grouping I think we have not done, that I will show you. Grouping drawing objects, and positioning image in the text, that we have completed. All these things except this grouping. We have completed this unit chapter. Session unit 2 session unit this one is unit 1 session 2 we have completed. Session 3 also completed. Templates. Okay, so predefined template, creating a template, set up a custom default template, updating a document, changing to a different template, using the template. So how will you this use the different templates, that may be a predefined template or custom template. So that we have seen. Online template is also there. So these are we have discussed. Next one is create and customize table of contents. Here how will you create the table hierarchy? This one we have not done. Hierarchy of headings, customization of table of, we have done header and footer. No, header, footer, page break, these things we have done. But table, how to create the table, that was not in your syllabus. This is new. So now it is added in your syllabus. So I will show you how to enter the contents in the table. Then how will you add the headings, hierarchy of headings, spence heading, subheading, these things, customization of table of contents, then character styles. Okay, so these things, maintaining a table and contents. Then mail merge, this one is also new in your this syllabus. That was not in previous session. Okay, so this one is included in your this new word processing. So here we will see advanced concept of mail merge in word processing, how to create a main document, then how to create the data source, entering data in fields, merging the data source with main document, editing individual documents, printing a letter and its address level. All these things we will see. Then unit 2, electronic spreadsheet. Here analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. Okay, so here analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. So what if analysis we will see over here. What if scenario, what if analysis. Okay, goal using goal seek and solver, these things we will see. Then link data and spreadsheets. So how will you set up the multiple sheets, creating reference to other sheets by using keyboard and mouse, then creating reference to other document by using keyboard and mouse, relative and absolute reference, that is hyperlinks, then hyperlink to the sheet, linking to the external data, registered data sources, all those things we will see in linked data and spreadsheets. Then number 3, that is share and review a spreadsheet, that is setting up a spreadsheet for sharing. How will you share the one spreadsheet into another, opening and saving a shared spreadsheet, recording changes, add, edit and format the comment, reviewing changes, view, accept or reject changes, merging and comparing. Okay, then create and use macros in a spreadsheet. Okay, what is macro we will see, and how will you use the simple macro, then macro as a function, then what are the arguments, how will you pass the arguments, area values. Okay, so these things we will see here in this session. Then database management system, where that is DBMS, appreciate the concept of database management system. Then how will you enter the field, record, table in your database, then relational database you will see. Okay, so relational RDBMS, that is relational database management system. Then what is primary key, composite key, foreign key, all these things we will discuss in this. Then with this we will see this creating and editing tables using wizard and SQL commands. SQL commands we will see, that is new for you, because Excel you have done in previous classes also, but SQL commands you have not done, that is a structured query language, that we will see in this session, in this year, in your class 10. That is how will you create the table through the table wizard also we will see, and through the SQL command we will see. Okay, that is DDL command, so that we will see. Then how to set the primary key. Okay, these things we will see. Next is perform operations, how will you insert the data, edit records, then delete records from the table, then sorting data. Okay, ascending or descending sorting, that is creating and editing relationships, one to one, one to many, many to many, these relationships we see. And then field properties also. Okay, different type of field properties, there are various field properties are there, that we will see how will you enter the field properties. Then retrieve data using query, how will you retrieve, retrieving means getting, how will you getting the data, that we will see. Editing a query, then applying criteria in query, that is single field, multiple field, wildcard using. So these things we will see through the SQL also. Then calculation. Okay, so how will you calculate, how will you total, so these things we will see. Then creating forms and reports using wizard. Okay, so this thing also you have done in previous classes, again we will see. Then that is, this one is advanced your, where you will modify, you can modify the form, you can modify the report. Then suppose you want to edit anything, that is modifying thing, you can enter the label, if you want you can change the label, background. Okay, so these things we will see. Steps to create a report using wizard. In web application unit 4, this we have completed, that working with accessibility options, that we have done serial keys, then computer accessibility dialog box. Okay, various type of impairment, visual impairment, different types of impairment we have seen. Then network fundamentals we have seen, P2P architecture. Okay, then World Wide Web, benefits of networking, getting access to the internet terminology, there are different types of terms are used in internet that we have discussed. Data transfers to the internet. Okay, introduction to instant messaging. Okay, Google Talk we have seen. Then chatting with a contact, Google Talk, how will you create the account in Google Talk. Then sending text chat message, how will you do that. Double clicking, general rules and etiquettes to be followed when you will chat, okay, in Google Talk. So chatting on various types of messengers, creating and publishing web pages, blogger, web blog. Okay, so, and then using offline blog editors. So these things we will see. Okay, so these things we have discussed, using offline blog editor, online transaction, internet security, maintain workplace safety, prevent accidents and emergencies. How will you accidents and emergencies, then there what are the types of accidents, handling, how will you handle that. This three chapters again, this 9, 10 and 11, these three sessions are again added, newly added in your this chapter, in this unit. So these three sessions we have not done. Maintain workplace safety, prevent accidents and emergencies. How will you handle the accident, what are the types of emergencies. Then protect health and safety at work, hazards and sources of hazards, general evacuation procedures, healthy living. So these things are there. So that's all of this your syllabus. I have sent you in your WhatsApp group. All of you see that PDF files, that is of 15 pages I think. So you just see, and I have explained. So according to this syllabus we will now continue. Okay, so today onwards we will continue according to this. Next day I will give you some questions from that web application and from that communication skills up to session 3, which are important for your UT 1 also, unit test 1. So all of you see that video next day in WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.